Hi everyone, my name's Abby, and today I'm going to be teaching you a stretch exercise using this band. This is a super thick circle band. It's all connected here. You can get these on Amazon. You can just Google, see what you find. If you don't have one, but you do have a TheraBand, you can also just go ahead and tie that in a tight knot so it's a big circle. Yeah, you want it all to be connected. So we're gonna use this to practice our middle splits, yeah? So what I did here was I just flattened it out and I put it behind my back like this. I'm gonna sit down on the floor and get this loop, hook it on my foot. This is the tricky part. You really have to pull it tight to get this loop on my other foot. Yeah, so it's hooked to my foot, wrapped around my lower back, and then onto my other foot. From here, you gotta use your leg strength to really straighten out. You can do this sitting up, just let it go ahead and open your hips, or you can go ahead and lay down and get your hands and really just push that band towards the floor. Yeah, it'll really open up your hips for you. So good luck and have fun with it.